Hey everybody, I appreciate you guys coming back to my channel. Here I have some really amazing wallets. This brand is called Double O. I've recently been using this wallet a lot, and I wanted to share with you guys my thoughts on it. First of all, this wallet may seem a little bit larger than some other brands that you might be familiar with. It's because it is. It's slightly larger because this particular one has a leather case surrounding the whole slider wallet mechanism case. This wallet right here, let me show you guys a little up close, is really unique, and I think it's actually one of the best sliding mechanism wallets on the market for a couple reasons. The biggest one to me, I'm going to share with you guys, is the high quality materials that they actually use on the lever and on the casing. But what really drew me to this particular company is primarily because of how well made the leather is, and I've not had a sliding wallet that has a leather case combining it. This particular wallet I've been using, you can hold about 7 cards. It depends on the type of card you're using, I believe. But if you're using all the flat surface cards, it holds 7. It also has a slot here. I actually put my money, my cash, in this slot right here. But you can actually put cards. And then right here is another slot for your cards. On the back side, you also have another slot right here. Now it comes in multiple of colors. The green one is actually my favorite. Couple of things that makes Double Oak very unique. And I personally believe these are the best sliding mechanism wallets on the market. Reason being, when we look at the lever, the little sliding lever right here, obviously you slide it down, cards pop up. Most of you guys know I am a Palladium card holder from JP Morgan. That card is really heavy. It's a very heavy metal, and a lot of times these sliding mechanism wallets doesn't hold that type of card very well. So what makes Double Oak very unique, I'm going to see if I can show you guys on camera. You probably won't be able to see the little symbol right here, but it's a little padlock. When you switch this lever up, it actually locks my cards. And how it locks my cards, I'm going to show you guys again. I'm going to slide this down. I'm going to push the cards back in. And when I switch this lever up where the lock is, there is a little clip right here. I'm not sure if you guys see it. It surrounds the cards. And now it locks the cards in where it will not fall out. That's actually a really huge deal for me because I've realized certain metal cards are too heavy, and when I use a lot of the other brands' minimalist slide wallets, they will often slide out. They won't fall out, but if I were to fling it very heavy, the Palladium card or any really heavy metal card will start to slide out. But that locking mechanism I'll show you on this black wallet right here, makes this wallet stand out, or this brand stand out from all the competitors in the market. Here's another one, the brown color one. What also makes this particular wallet, or these two I should say, very unique is the fact that you can actually remove this case out of the leather sleeve. When you do remove it, you can actually slide this RFID backplate on top. I highly recommend this brand if you're looking for a wallet that has a really amazing feature, which is that sliding lock. Let me go ahead and pop this one out again. Another really cool feature that I'm about to show you guys is that this sliding wallet is actually MagSafe. Look at that. When you check them out on their website, you'll find, I think they have a few different colors. Of course, they have the black, and they have a green one here as well, without the leather. And if I wanted to, I could slide this green one in here. But I think this gold color goes very well with this green, as well as with the brown leather. This wallet right here is called the Founders Edition. This brown one right here is called the Legacy Edition. Then we have Black Edition, green, and this one is their wallet expansion pack. The packaging on the brand is phenomenal. Every wallet comes in one of these nice boxes. And with these wallets, you can customize it to the point where you can get either one of these back plates or these back plates, or add additional ones with different colors, such as the gold one I have right here. And let's check out the back of the money band. I've actually never really used these to put money in. I mostly put my cash right behind this plate. Not sure if anyone else does that, but I find it better to put it back there rather than here. And that's just for me. Again, thank you guys for coming back to my channel and watching my videos. This video is all about this beautiful, high quality leather wallet, as well as the other wallets right here, these other sliding aluminum style wallets. The brand is called Double Oak. Highly recommend them. Again, their quality is amazing. And most of you guys do know I'm a huge leather fan. I love wallets, I love watches, and a lot of luxury goods. And this brand right here, I have not seen another brand that makes these sliding wallets as good as Double Oak. That locking mechanism is one of the most important features for me. Thank you guys. Take care.